You know, it really starts right here. It starts with events like the VSV was put together.
Students, they voice the new generation, and they are required to challenge the system in terms of what flying is about, how do we fly, and the speed of the change that aviation is going through.
There are a number of things that students can do. It starts with physics, it starts with science, and that's what you guys are studying, because aerospace is science-based, it's technology-based, and decarbonizing aerospace over the long term will require innovative technologies.
As an aviation sector, we have to make the transition to a more sustainable aviation sector. And you, as a student, can make a difference, because you are the future engineers, innovators, and leaders.
Dear students of Delft, dear students of the Netherlands, of the world, go and do a technical study. Work in student teams, for example Aero Delft, on developing new technologies and making systems work that enable green modes of transport. Challenge the system.